Sieving. Most of the things that we come across in our day-to-day life exist as a mixture of two or more substances. To use these components individually, we need to separate them from the mixture. For example, we don't use the flour bought from the market directly for cooking. We use certain separation techniques in order to remove impurities from it. Small rocks can be separated from the sand by sieving. The smaller sand grains will pass through the tiny holes in the sieve, leaving the bigger particles of rocks. The sieve allows the fine particles to pass through the holes of the sieve, while the bigger impurities are unable to pass through it and remain on the sieve. Sieve has meshed bottoms that allow only particles of a specific size to pass through it. It cannot separate two substances in a mixture that have the same size. For example, it cannot separate a mixture of chalk powder from flour. Remember, the sieve allows the fine flour particles to pass through the holes of the sieve, while the bigger impurities are unable to pass through it and remain on the sieve. This method of separation of particles from a mixture, based on the difference in the size of particles, is known as sieving. It uses a sieve for the separation of coarse particles from finer particles.